First of all, let me get this out of the way. I love DaVinci Resolve, great app. I love that it's free. I love that it's a one-time purchase for the studio, which I have. I would have paid more, whatever. All right, moving on. One thing that really is like, I just can't believe that there's no solution for this. The ability to add a shortcut for a speed ramp. All right, so if I click right here, you know, go like this, whatever, and I want to add a speed ramp or a speed point, I'm sorry, adding a speed point. If I want to do that, you know, then I have to click on it. But after doing it so many times, like, why isn't there an option to just press a button? Command P. I don't know, whatever. I don't care. Shift P, anything. Why do I have to continuously click on, you know, on this little itty bitty dot too? It's like, damn, I can't believe it. Like, I have to look for it, and then sometimes, you know, like, it's not nowhere near. I have to, you know, go all the way in and go all the way out. If my clip is extra long and I have to go find it, it's super annoying, especially when I'm zoomed in like this, right? Frame for frame. Then I have to go look for it. Oh, there it goes. And I have to click on add speed point, then I have to zoom back in. After doing it so many times, it's ridiculous. Like, there's gotta be a solution for this. I do have a speed editor. I haven't put that many hours into it, maybe like 20 hours using the speed editor. I love it. Sometimes I'm able to use it. In some projects, hey, I'm on the run, I can do this real quick. I ain't bringing my speed editor. Whatever. Either way, there's gotta be something done about this. That's my biggest gripe. But I would like to see added features along with this as well. There should be shortcuts for, or let me find it. There should be shortcuts for all of these options. Something to where if I want to go, it starts at 100. If I want to go down, let's say I select Command P down and it goes down to 75, and I press it again, it goes down to 50, and I press it again, it goes down to 25, and you know, if I press up and it goes up back to 100 and 110, it should be a shortcut for all of these options as well. Like, if I want to just hurry up and change this, if I'm hovered over it, bam, just shortcut. And it'll just automatically just do all of this that I'm finna do right here. You know what I'm saying? So that would be more of an advanced shortcut, I assume. But it should still be there. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it, or is this a dumb idea? But I think I have a valid point. Should be shortcuts for speed ramping.